Today on Mike Attempts, fixing a pressure washer. My mom was visiting a friend and saw this pressure washer sitting at the curb. Her friend said it was leaking, so they bought a new one. It was saved from the trash and given to me. Let's see what's wrong. This silver tube is supposed to be in the gun. It definitely looks like water was leaking from this valve. After cleaning it up a bit, I think I see the problem. It looks like there was water left in the gun which froze over the winter. Winterizing is easy to forget, which is why so many pressure washers end up in the trash. If you treat every use like it's the last before winter, you can avoid internal damage. I disassembled the valve, brushed on some flux paste, squeezed the gap shut, and attempted to solder the crack. The solder just beat it up, so I thought it wasn't hot enough, until the vice grips deformed the opening. Oh well, it was worth a try. Before I buy any parts, I want to be sure the pump works and isn't cracked. The pump seems to be working with no leaks, but I can't test the pressure without a gun. I was hoping I could just buy a new valve, but I couldn't get through to product support. So I gave up and bought this gun for $35. It has a 14mm fitting, but came with a 15mm adapter to fit my hose. The rest of the sections just screw together. It also comes with an extra spray tip coupler that you can attach to the end of any section. Let's test it out. This pressure washer got a second chance for only $35. Not too bad. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.